Let me be brutally honest with you. Most people don't want focus. They want the feeling of being focused. Big difference. And here's the ugly truth no one wants to admit. Your attention span isn't dying. It's being kidnapped, snatched by your phone, trained by apps engineered to outsmart your nervous system. Your notifications literally know you better than your parents. Yeah, let that sink in. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to rebuild your attention span from the ground up. Just get ready for something uncomfortable. Because here's the real problem. You don't control your attention. Your environment does. You can be the most disciplined monk on earth. But if you put a chocolate cake on the table, you're eating it. And if TikTok sits on your lock screen, same thing. So before we fix your attention, we have to fix the arena your attention fights in. Most people never do this, and that's why they lose. But here's the plot twist. There's one simple change that instantly drops your dopamine cravings and rebuilds your focus from the inside out. And no one, literally no one does it. Does it. When you hear it, your first reaction will be, that's way too simple. Your second reaction will be, oh, that actually makes sense. Hold that thought. Part 1. Why your brain is tired of you. Right now, your brain behaves like a spoiled pet. It wants low effort, instant entertainment, and a reward every 4 seconds. Why? Because your phone is not a tool. It's a casino disguised as a rectangle. Every swipe equals a dopamine jackpot. Every notification equals a tiny hit. Every scroll equals a pull of the slot machine. If scrolling is sugar, your brain is living on a dessert-only diet. Then you try to work, and suddenly your real tasks taste like broccoli dipped in sadness. Your attention span isn't broken, it's malnourished. And if you don't fix this, you'll wake up in 5 years having mastered the entire YouTube Shorts universe. But not a single skill that actually matters. Be honest, if you scroll way too much, drop a time bomb in the comments. Part 2. The one shift that makes everything easy. Alright, here it is. Make your environment more boring than your goals. Not more aesthetic, not more productive, not decorated like a Pinterest workstation. More boring. Because your brain only chooses the path of least stimulation. If your phone is more exciting than your task, you will lose every single time. But if your phone becomes boring, ugly, unappealing, you take back control. So let's weaponize boredom. Part 3. How to make your phone stop controlling you. Step 1. Make your phone ugly. I mean offensively ugly. No widgets, no animations, no aesthetic icons. One ugly gray folder for all apps. Solid wallpaper, preferably depressing. No visual rewards at all. Make your home screen feel like tax paperwork. Your brain stops chasing things it doesn't find visually attractive. Step 2. Kill 95% of notifications. If it's not your family, your work, or an actual emergency, turn it off. Your ex posting a story is not an emergency. Step 3. Phone does not sleep with you. If your phone is in the bedroom, so is the doom scroll demon. And you cannot build focus if your morning begins with a hit of dopamine stronger than your coffee. Part 4. Train your attention like a muscle. Attention isn't a personality trait, it's a muscle, and most people's attention span is weaker than a wet noodle. Here's how to build it. Exercise 1. The 5-minute boredom lift. Sit still. Do nothing. No phone, no music, no stimulation. Your brain will freak out. That's withdrawal. Good. Exercise 2. Monotasking. Reps. 1 task. No switching. No juggling. Week 1. 10 minutes. Week 2. 20 minutes. Week 3. 30 minutes. Your brain will fight it, but it will adapt. Exercise 3. The silent walk. Walk with no headphones. Just you plus your brain plus the world. Do this for 10 minutes and you beat most people. Do it for 20 and your nervous system rewires. 30 minutes? You start liking silence. Terrifying at first. Elite afterward. Part 5. Boring habits that turn you into a focused menace. These habits seem boring now, but they will make your focus dangerous. 1. Long-form reading, not quotes, not summaries. Actual reading, patience training for your brain. Proverbs is insanely underrated if you want wisdom. 2. Long, uninterrupted skill practice. Drawing, calisthenics, cooking, anything that requires reps. Minute 1 to 20 feels painful. Minute 21, flow state, every time. 3. Sitting with your thoughts, the final boss. If you can handle your own mind without running to your phone, you've won. Part 6. What happens after you reboot your brain? This is the part nobody talks about. When your baseline stimulation drops, life feels richer. Small things feel interesting again. You think deeper, you become more present. Anxiety drops, creativity explodes, motivation returns. Scrolling becomes boring. And when scrolling becomes boring, your entire life unlocks. You choose creation over consumption, depth over dopamine, discipline over distraction. That's when you become unstoppable. Part 7. The real secret. Focus is an identity. Training your attention span is the foundation. But the next level, the level almost nobody reaches, is identity. You stop trying to be focused, and you become the kind of person who just is. Focus stops being a tactic. It becomes a personality trait, a default mode, a standard you refuse to break. If you want the breakdown of how to build a focus identity, you already know what to do. Time to rise.